What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today don't have much for you, but what I do have for you is a giveaway. I am giving away this 5-inch quadcopter. This is a Stingy V2 frame, has these Brother Hobby 2207 motors on it. It's a 6S quadcopter, has the Radix flight controller, has I think they're SpeedX 30 amp ESCs, the 6S, believe, and they're 32-bit. So this thing is an awesome quadcopter and flies amazing. Actually kind of upset a little bit to actually give it away, but I'm going to be giving away one of you guys, so all you have to do is just leave a comment down below, and on October 5th, 2020, I'll be picking a winner from a random comment picker to see who wins. Just make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, and also give this video a like, and just leave a comment down below to be entered to win. Just make sure you don't leave more than one comment, and be good luck to everybody, and we'll see who wins back on the 5th. But a little update too on the channel. I'm taking it a little easy and kind of slowing off on review videos. Just kind of just enjoying life, just having fun with my son, playing some video games, and just enjoying myself. But I'll be getting back. I mean, I'll still be releasing some videos and whatnot here and there. Definitely doing quad box, FPV crate, and all that stuff. So don't worry about it. You'll get your see if you get an awesome box this month or not in one of those videos. But for everybody else, good luck for on the 5th, and I'll see you guys till then. Peace.